In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GMass to Chrome. If you want to send personalized email campaigns right from your inbox, GMass makes it simple, and getting started only takes a minute. First, make sure you're on a computer using the Chrome browser. GMass is designed for desktop Chrome and doesn't work on mobile browsers. You'll also need a Gmail or Google Workspace account, since GMass connects directly to your inbox. Begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can safely find and install extensions. In the store's search bar, type GMass Powerful Mail Merge for Gmail. Look for the official GMass listing so you know you're installing the correct tool. Click the extension to open its page. On the GMass page, click Add to Chrome. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension to continue. Chrome will download and install GMass, and you'll see a quick confirmation. At this point, GMass is added to your browser and ready to connect to your Gmail account. Now open Gmail in Chrome. Near the Compose window, you'll notice a new GMass button. This is your hub for sending and managing mail merges. Click Sign Up with Google. Choose the Gmail or Google Workspace account you want to use, then review and allow the requested permissions. These permissions let GMass send campaigns from your account and provide reporting, like tracking opens, clicks, and replies. Once you allow access, GMass is linked to your Gmail and you're set. With GMass connected, you can send mass emails directly from Gmail while keeping each message personalized. If you store contacts in Google Sheets, GMass can merge names, custom fields, and other details into your emails automatically. As your messages go out, GMass tracks engagement so you can see who opened, clicked, or replied, all within your email workflow. To quickly recap, use Chrome on a desktop. Open the Chrome Web Store, search for GMass, Powerful Mail Merge for Gmail, click the listing, select Add to Chrome, and confirm by choosing Add Extension. Then open Gmail, find the GMass button, select Sign Up with Google, choose your account, and grant permissions. That's all it takes to get GMass up and running. Thanks for watching. With GMass added to Chrome and connected to Gmail, you're ready to launch smarter email campaigns right from your inbox.